Broadcom 2V0-15.25 exam practice questions with explanations are available in the video for you to study. In a VMware Cloud Foundation (VCF) environment, which component is responsible for creating the default overlay segments used by tenant workloads? A. vCenter Server, B. NSX Manager, C. HCX Manager, D. SDDC Manager. The answer is B. In VMware Cloud Foundation, NSX Manager manages the network virtualization layer. It automatically creates default overlay segments that tenant workloads use for east-west communication within the software-defined network. These overlay segments are part of the logical networking architecture managed by NSXT Data Center, which provides network automation and microsegmentation for VCF environments. In a VMware Cloud Foundation (VCF) deployment, which NSX component is responsible for providing north-south external connectivity for workloads? A. NSX Distributed Firewall, B. Tier 0 Gateway, C. NSX Edge VPN, D. NSX Manager. The answer is B. The NSX Tier 0 Gateway enables external, north-south, connectivity between VCF workloads and the physical network. It connects the virtualized network environment managed by NSXT to the physical data center or external networks. The Tier 0 Gateway handles routing, high availability, and load balancing, while the Tier 1 Gateway typically manages internal, east-west, traffic. In a VMware Cloud Foundation (VCF) environment, which tool is used to configure routing and network services such as Tier 0 and Tier 1 gateways? A. vSphere Client, B. NSX Manager, C. VLCM, D. HCX Manager. The answer is B. NSX Manager is the central management interface for all NSXT networking and security configurations within VMware Cloud Foundation. It's used to set up logical routing, including the creation and configuration of Tier 0 and Tier 1 gateways, route advertisement, and dynamic routing protocols. While vSphere Client manages compute resources, NSX Manager handles the virtual network and routing layer. In a VMware Cloud Foundation (VCF) environment, which service integrates with Active Directory or LDAP to provide centralized user authentication? A. Identity Broker, B. SDDC Manager, C. NSX Manager, D. vCenter Server. The answer is A. The VMware Cloud Foundation Identity Broker provides federated authentication by integrating VCF with Active Directory, LDAP, or external identity providers. It acts as a bridge for authenticating users across components like vCenter Server and NSX Manager. This enables single sign-on (SSO) and consistent access control throughout the VCF environment. In a VMware Cloud Foundation (VCF) environment, which tool is responsible for managing and assigning license keys across workload domains? A. vCenter Server, B. vSphere Client, C. SDDC Manager, DNSX Manager? The answer is C. SDDC Manager is the central management component in VMware Cloud Foundation that automates lifecycle management, configuration, and operations across the entire stack. It also manages license key assignments for components such as vCenter Server, NSX, and vSAN across all workload domains, ensuring consistent license management and compliance within the VCF environment. When the SDDC Manager Administrator password expires in a VMware Cloud Foundation (VCF) environment, what action must be taken to restore access? A. Reboot the SDDC Manager VM. B. Reset via vSphere CLI. C. Update the password through the SDDC Manager UI. D. Redeploy the SDDC Manager. The answer is C. When the SDDC Manager admin password expires, administrators can log in using their existing credentials, if still valid within the grace period, or reset it directly through the SDDC Manager user interface. The UI provides a password management option to update expired credentials securely. There is no need to reboot or redeploy the SDDC Manager appliance, as this would not resolve authentication issues. In a VMware Cloud Foundation (VCF) environment, which type of certificate authority (CA) can be used when replacing system certificates? A. Self-signed only. B. Internal CA only. C. Public or enterprise CA. D. VMware signed only. The answer is C. VMware Cloud Foundation supports certificate replacement using certificates issued by a public certificate authority (CA) or an enterprise corporate CA. This ensures secure communication between components such as vCenter, NSX Manager, and SDDC Manager. While self-signed certificates are used during initial deployment, replacing them with trusted CA-signed certificates improves security and compliance in production environments. In a VMware Cloud Foundation (VCF) environment, which SDDC Manager service is responsible for managing and rotating system passwords and certificates? A. Lifecycle Manager. B. Locker Service. C. vSphere Services. DNSX Edge Service. The answer is B. The locker service in SDDC Manager securely stores and manages passwords, certificates, and encryption keys for all VCF components. It also automates password rotation to maintain security compliance and reduce manual effort. The service ensures credentials are updated consistently across vCenter, NSX, and other integrated systems without disrupting operations. In a VMware Cloud Foundation (VCF) environment, which component integrates with vRealize Log Insight, ARIA operations for logs, to enable centralized log collection and analysis? A. Cloud Builder. B. SDDC Manager. C. HCX Manager. D. vSphere Client. The answer is B. SDDC Manager integrates with vRealize Log Insight, now ARIA operations for logs, to provide centralized log management across all VCF components, including vCenter, NSX, and SSH hosts. This integration simplifies troubleshooting and monitoring by automatically forwarding system logs to Log Insight for correlation, alerting, and analysis, improving operational visibility within the VCF environment. In a VMware Cloud Foundation (VCF) environment, which tool is used to generate a support bundle for VMware Global Support Services (GSS)? A. NSX Manager, B. SDDC Manager, C. HCX Manager, D. vSphere CLI. The answer is B. SDDC Manager provides the capability to generate a support bundle that collects logs, configuration data, and system information from all VCF components. This bundle can then be submitted to VMware Global Support Services (GSS) for troubleshooting and issue resolution. Using SDDC Manager ensures that the support bundle includes complete and consistent information across the full VCF stack.